Today we will be covering how to set up your math notebook for 7th grade math at Van Devender Middle School. My name is Mr. Sprouse, and let's start off by labeling our notebook, and I'm going to name our notebook Mr. Sprouse's Totally Awesome Online Math Notes. Now you can name yours whatever you want, or if this is the parents that are watching this video, you can name your book whatever you want. It's your notebook. So first thing we want to do is we're going to open our notebook to the first page, and this will be our title page. Our title page will consist of the following. This book belongs to, and we are going to say Mr. Sprouse's Online Homies. And then we will label our page 1 up here in the top corner. Now turn to page 2. Page 2. Now you want to write math goals at the top of this page. Now math goals are goals that you have in my math class. So our first math goal will always be the same for everyone in this class. It will be to increase my iReady score by 1 grade level. Now, to increase my iReady score by 1 grade level. So if you were at grade 6 right now, you would want to get to grade 7, and so on and so forth. And the next goal that you have is a math goal that you have for the year. So, for example, I had several students tell me that they wanted to learn how to do long division with decimals. They told me they wanted to do long division with decimals. Now, that's something that we will cover. We also had this great algorithm that Ms. Clark has shown me, and I will be going over that throughout the year to help with this type of goal. And the last goal that you have is a personal goal. So a personal goal of yours would be like, for me, is to pay off my credit card debt. Now, once you're done with that, I want you to turn to page 3, label page 3 at the top right corner, and then I want you to write table of contents on the top of the page, and I want you to underline it like this, and I want you next to write out the notes that we have been taking so far. So the first page is our title page. The next page would be the math goals page, and then we would be going on to our table of contents page. Before we move on to the next page, please take your paper or your notebook and fold it like this. It is like a little hot dog fold, a little mini one. And you see here how this creates a flap? I want you to unfold that flap for me, uncrease it. If you would like, you can draw a little black line where the fold has just been created. And you will label these pages on this flap, or what their page numbers are. So for example, title page is page 1, math goals is page 2, table of contents will be pages 3 through 4. Now this will consist of this page and this page. Underline that, and then in the top corner here, write the number 4. Now, on the next page, I would like you to turn to page 5. Turn to page 5. So here's page 5. Page 5 will be where we start collecting info about bell ringers. So bell ringer will be what you label the top of page 5. So bell ringers. Then we're going to go on to page 6, and we will label this one bell ringers. And then we'll go on to page 7, and we'll label it bell ringers, but not forgetting to label this page 7 as well. Then, what you want to do is you want to number all these pages. Thank you for completing the notebook tutorial.